Hey guys, this is Aiman. I hope you missed my recaps. Thought I would do one today. And by the way, guys, I don't want you to think that I'm uploading only my winners and I'm ignoring my losers. Everyone is having losing days, but I'll be honest with you, I didn't have a losing day in over 2 months, and I'm happy about it. I wouldn't say that I improved so much that I became a market wizard and I don't have red days anymore. I do have them, and I know that the red day is coming sooner or later. Maybe it's been the market condition. Soon everything is trending, everything is breaking out, and those breakouts are working like a charm. So that might be the reason I'm doing well lately. But yeah, red day is coming, and I promise you, the moment I have the red day, it will be 100% recap. So let's discuss my trades from today. All of them were breakouts, and you see me trading only breakouts lately. Why do I do that? Exams, and I love finishing earlier. Breakouts have been my favorite trades since I started trading, but when I started trading them, I don't know, maybe 3 years ago, when I joined the community, or 4 years ago, I was so bad at them. I couldn't figure them out. I was losing a lot on them, so I decided to start my journey trading ABCD patterns. Then I started trading reversals, and now finally, for a few months, 5 months maybe, or 4 months, I've been trading orbs, and I finally figured them out. I'll do a lifetime webinar on those in January. I'll break them down to you, and I promise you guys it will be so simple the moment I explain it to you, and you'll love them as well. So this is my trade book, and you will see me trading nothing but those three: ABCD patterns, reversals, and breakouts. Those are my trades, and this is my bread and butter, and this is what I'm going to just keep improving. And the moment I find something new or upgrade those setups, I will definitely do a webinar on those. So let's start with my trades from today. I traded 4 stocks in the pre-market. It was BABA, NIO, CCL, and FUBO. All of them initiated the position in the pre-market. So if you ask me what time I do take my positions in pre-market, I'm going to tell you it's between 9:05 and 9:30. I could take a start position anytime around that in the pre-market, but not before 9 o'clock, because I noticed that I'm losing more right there. I usually want to be done before 10 o'clock or 10:10, because this time period here from 10:10 to 10:30, I get chopped a little bit, a lot of traps, maybe a lot of chop. I just avoid trading in this time period. And after this time period, after being in the market for around an hour, I start getting bored, I start getting headache, so I need to take a break. So most of the time I just try to be done before 10:30, and I do trade after 10:30. I do take some trades in the afternoon when I'm in the microphone, because I already took my rest and I can focus and concentrate for an hour. So today, BABA, why did I take it to the long side? You could see here, clear range on the 60-minute chart, clear gap up on the daily chart. I initiated my position here in the pre-market at 232, the moment we broke that level right there on the 60-minute chart. Then you see it on the 1-minute chart, we're pulling back and we immediately get squeezed back up. So I added to my position in the pre-market as well, having my stop loss down there, and I got stopped out. This right here was around, was this 1 hour? No, this was around 1.5 hour loser. Totally fine with it. I like the setup. It failed. The timing was wrong. The idea was right, because I could have entered a little bit earlier, somewhere around here, and I would have caught this breakout, which I like. And you see, it just went to 230 cents. So the idea was right. The timing was wrong. Nothing wrong about it. FUBO, another stock I traded in the pre-market, and for the same reason. Reverse ABCD pattern on the 60-minute chart, clear range on the 60-minute chart, new 60-minute low. There is my position in the pre-market on the 5-minute chart. So this stock was an SSR. I think it was FUBO. Yeah, it was an SSR. I didn't want to wait for the breakdown to happen, because I knew I will just not be able to get in. The moment I saw an uptick, I just pulled the trigger, I got in. The market opened, I tried to enter immediately here. Once we saw a drop down, I tried to add on this, the moment the next candle opened, I couldn't. It was an SSR, it didn't give me a position to enter, so I was happy to enter in the pre-market. That was my entry. I think that was my stop loss somewhere around there. Let's see, no, this was my stop loss here, the high of this candle, a little bit above it, I guess. Anyway, partial all the way down. Why did I take my partials right there? You could see previous day close right here, a level right here, and a level down here. Those are my targets. Got them all. Happy about it. So NIO is the same thing. Reverse ABCD pattern on the 60-minute chart, gap down on the daily chart. Reverse ABCD pattern on the 5-minute chart. Took it to the short side. Stop loss above there or up there. I chickened out. It wouldn't have triggered my stop loss, but at the open it could squeeze, and you saw what happened in Baba. I already took a 1.5 hour loser. I didn't want to have 2 hours loser right here, so I just decided to wait a little bit. I see that we're having a bearish engulfing sandwich. The bullish candle got engulfed by the bearish candle. Shorted it, partial all the way down. My stop loss was at 80 in the middle because this was a momentum play. Partial all the way down, and that was it. Another stock I traded was CCL. So CCL, same thing, same theory, ABCD pattern on the 60-minute chart with a hammer before it to establish my position. In the pre-market, stop loss was below VWAP, and why VWAP? Because this was a clear support right here. 22.10 was my stop loss, 22.15 was my entry, 22.25 my first partial, 22.30 my second partial, and 33 or 35 the third partial. So I got on average on this one 2.5 realized or 2 realized, I guess, and then I gave the rest at a small loss. I got some slippage right there, which is not bad. So yeah, that was FUBO, it was CCL, which we showed, it was NIO, it was BABA, and yeah, one more trade, it was the SPY. And the SPY, I took it for a parabolic reversal, 2 big candles, so extended from the 9 and the 5, previous day close, climactic volume at the low of the day, hammer, few entries to the long side, partial closer to the 9 and the 5, exit the rest at a break even because I was afraid it might do a reverse ABCD pattern. It did work a little bit more, should have held maybe, but I'm happy about what I got right there. So those are my trades for today. I hope you all had a great trading day. And I posted some of my trades on Twitter. I break them down there. If you guys don't follow me, you could follow me on Twitter. It's at AimanBBT. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, aiman@beautifultraders.com, and see you in the chat room tomorrow.